Hello everyone! Today we'll be unboxing or unbagging the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus subscription for August 2020. Let's begin. So for this month, they have switched from a makeup bag to this pouch with this pull-on strings. This is what the bag looks like. It has Ipsy and sparkles on it. And also, from now on, we'll be able to choose three. They choose two, and then we choose three of our products. So they have different categories, and we get to choose. So the theme is, The Future is Yours, August 2020. Looks like they're not adding the product information anymore, so you have to go on their app to find out information and prices. Okay, let's begin. Okay, so this is the first product in here. It is the Purely's Beauty Matcha Green Tea Antioxidant Priming Moisturizer. And this full-size version retails for $45. Okay, let's see. This is what it looks like. Okay. The next item in the bag is this Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in the color Bonnie. Let's see. And this product retails for $20. So let's see, how do we open this? Okay. Okay. This is what it looks like. Let's see. Swatch the color. It's this pinky color. Very pretty. Okay. The next product in here is this Ciate London Watermelon Burst Press Setting Powder. And this product retails for $28. This is what it looks like. Okay. The next product in here is this 111 Skin Cryo ATP Sports Booster. It's a serum. And its retail value is $135. This is what it looks like. Okay, and this is the next item. It is a Laura Geller Kajal Longwear Eyeliner in Gilded Bronze, and this product retails for $22. Let's see. Okay, it's this brown color. And there is a sharpener in the back. That's nice. Okay. So those are all the items in the bag for my subscription, but I did get this item with my extra points. When you take surveys, you get extra points and you can choose a product. I chose this Kiss and Smink Matte Cream Lip Crayon. Let's see, and it's in the color Marietas. Okay, let's see. Okay, oh, oops. Uh-oh. Looks like the product came broken. Uh-oh. Let's see what the color is, though. It's a nice pinky nude. Oh my. Okay. Well, that's bad. Okay. Well, those are all the products in the bag today for Ipsy Glam Bag Plus. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you and have a wonderful day. Bye!